I bought an almond croissant at a cafe the other day and it cost me £4.50 and it wasn't even warm. And that got me thinking, I bet we could easily make 4 almond croissants at home for half that price. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, I love an almond croissant with the lovely sticky almond frangipan on the inside and the lovely crunchy almond on top. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by making the glaze. To a small pan, add 120ml, which is about half a cup of water, along with a tablespoon of golden caster sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now stir that together and bring it to the boil until the sugar is dissolved. Then turn off the heat and transfer to a wide bowl. So now that glaze is cooling, we're going to make the frangipan. Now if you're making a big batch of this, then you can use a stand mixer, but since I'm only making enough for 4, I'm just going to do it in a bowl. To a bowl, add 90 grams or 3/4 of a cup of ground almonds, along with 4 tablespoons of soft unsalted butter and 100 grams or half a cup of golden caster sugar. Then stir it all together until combined. It should look a little bit fluffy. Next in goes a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of almond extract and 1 small egg. Mix it all together again until thoroughly combined. Now put to one side. Now we're going to slice the croissants. So using a small sharp knife, make a slice into the back of the croissants so you've got a lovely pocket, but make sure that you don't cut all the way through. Repeat so you've sliced through all 4 croissants. So now the croissants have been slit, we're going to dip the whole top of the croissants in the glaze. That glaze will give the top of the croissants a lovely shiny look and add a slight amount of crispness as well. Another bonus to dipping the croissants in the glaze is if your croissants are a little bit stale, this will really help to freshen them back up. Now place those glazed croissants on a baking tray. Now take a spoonful of that lovely almond frangipan and spoon it on the inside of the croissants. We're going to use half the frangipan mixture to fill the croissants, and then the other half of the frangipan goes on top of the croissants. Now sprinkle the top of the croissants with some flaked almonds. I use about a tablespoon of flaked almonds per croissant. Then place the croissants in the oven at 175°C or 350°F for about 12 to 14 minutes until the top is golden brown and crisp. Remove from the oven and sprinkle generously with lots of confectioners sugar. So they're my easy almond croissants. That homemade frangipan is lovely and squidgy in the middle of the croissants and beautifully crisp on top. See you next time.